I hope you're ready. Welcome to day 5 of your work from home or office snap habit routine. Today, we are going to start doing some strengthening exercises. Focus particularly on your upper body first. So, you better warm up and come follow along because you're working out with me today. The first thing that we're going to do is warm up our shoulders with some shoulder rolls. Go ahead and round your shoulders forward for 5 repetitions, followed by 5 repetitions rounding them backwards. This next exercise is a wall slide with a lift off. You're going to need a wall, and what you'll do is you'll place both hands on the wall, slide your arms up all the way to the top, and then lift your arms off before bringing them back to the wall and back down. That would be 1 rep. We're doing 10. We're going to use that wall again, except we're going to place our backs to the wall, put both hands up against them, and slide your arms up and back down. These are called W's, and they're actually quite hard. 10 repetitions for this exercise. We are going to round out this exercise routine with push-ups at your desk. Remember that the further your feet are from your desk, the harder it is, and we're not looking for pain. So if it hurts going all the way down, make sure you just try to go halfway instead. Shoot for 10 repetitions. Good job! You just completed your first work from home or office strengthening routine, and we did it under 4 minutes. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day.